Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the ASUS GTX 670 DCUII. It's a very nice cooler on the graphics card, DCUII, and a very nice graphics card as well. Alright, first we'll go through this stuff. If I can even open it. Give me a sec. Wow. Alright, there we go. CD-ROM, setup guide, cables for your 216. Really nice packaging. Alright, here's the, it's bloody nice. Oh my god. Okay, keep it together. Alright. ASUS GTX 670, oh my god, it's bloody good. It's massive. Look at that. Oh. Alright, so here's the DCUII cooler, 2 fans, and it's much quieter than the reference 670 backplate. ASUS backplate. Here's the PCIe connections. Alright, ports we have is, God, I don't want to drop this. Put this back on, hold on guys. Alright, ports we have is DCUII dual link and DCUII, sorry guys, DCUII dual link, DCUII dual link, HDMI and display port, so you can have up to 4 monitors with this card. Pretty nice, and it feels amazing. Alright, thanks for watching guys. This has been my unboxing of the ASUS GTX 670. Please be sure to subscribe, rate and comment. Bye.